Hello, welcome to Investing with Cat and Pat. Almost said Pat and Cat, or just Pat, cause Cat is not here right now. Well, not unfortunately, but we have a child, and you know things have to be taken care of with her right now. So I'm doing video number 1 of our 90-day challenge. You know, if you're watching this video, you're probably close to me or family, so I'm going to need you to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can know every day when I'm posting these videos. Keep me accountable. I would appreciate that. If not, if you don't know me, you should still do it anyways, because look at me, bro. Just kidding. Alright guys, so basically, first video, it is going to be Wholesaling 101. How do you wholesale a deal? What is wholesaling? These are questions that a lot of people have. A lot of people think that wholesaling is some scam or some way to get over on somebody, or you're trying to take advantage of somebody. That's not what it is at all. There are a ton of people out there who have problems that they need solutions to, and a cash buyer, in a lot of times, is the best solution to their problem. That is wholesaling. Okay, that's what it is. So we are not skinning old ladies for every penny they got. Okay, NAR, National Association of Realtors. I know you're watching. Probably not, but just saying. Alright, so let's answer the first question. What is wholesaling real estate? Wholesaling real estate is when an entity or a individual person signs a contract to purchase a property. In that contract, say my name is Patrick, so I'm going to put the buyer name, that's me, Patrick Conley, and then I'll put in quotations, and or assigns, which means at the end of the deal, when we're closing, I'm able to assign that contract to an investor. That's wholesale. The market is not saturated, guys. There's going to be all these people out there. I mean, I have family skeptical, friends skeptical, oh, everybody's trying to do that. Listen, there are 141 million properties out there. The market is not oversaturated. I'm telling you, consistency is key. You stay calling, you stay following up, you stay doing these things, wholesaling will work for you. So 141 million properties out there, and it is not oversaturated. There are so many ways to do this. Once you really start getting into the knowledge of all of the subcategories in wholesaling, the possibilities are endless, and you will win if you stay consistent. If you keep trying, focus on distressed properties, focus on motivated sellers. That's the game. You can work with real estate agents, or you can go direct to seller. Doesn't matter. Which means you can get on Zillow for free. Actually, that's how I got my first deal. I hopped on Redfin, looked for fixer-uppers, found fixer-uppers, made an offer on the deal. They declined the deal. 2 weeks later, they came back. They said, you know what, we'll take it. I brought my investor in to look at the house. He looked at it, he said, no, I can't do that price, we gotta be here. So, what I did is I went back to the agent, said I gotta be here. She said, let me go talk to the seller. Seller said, okay. Boom. Deal done. I just started. That was in 30 days of me wholesaling real estate. No experience, no nothing. Shout out Jerry Norton. That is all him. He told me exactly how to do it. I can make a video on his process on how to do things. He specializes in working with agents. It's a great route to take, and we will make more videos on that, absolutely. Direct to seller, you're going to have to, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money. There are softwares out there. One of the main ones we use is PropStream. Also, Flipster is really good. That is by Jerry Norton. But mostly we are using PropStream right now. And basically on PropStream you can pull lists, pre-foreclosure lists. You can pull pre-probate. You can pull vacant houses. I mean, the data that you can get, you just have no idea. You got to go check it out. And that's one of the things I think that people look at this business and they're like, nah. They maybe get in, they call 1 or 2 sellers, they call 1 or 2 agents. It doesn't work. No, bro. Make 100 calls to agents. Talk to 100 agents. Talk to 100 direct sellers. I promise you, you're going to feel a little bit differently after you do that. You're going to feel confident, that's for one. And just in the way that you speak and the way that you talk, and if you're studying, the terminology is going to come. The main thing is getting on the phone. It's just, it's incredible how much I've learned. I started out, studying financial literacy, and I saw something on TikTok, I believe, about wholesaling real estate. Started looking into it. Found Jerry on YouTube. Shout out again. Also, I want to shout out the Wholesale Hotline, #SquadUp, because those guys, I just found their channel, or their podcast, maybe last week, and it's absolutely great. I just noticed one other thing too. So, this is my first video of my 90-day challenge. It's March 9th, and that's my dad's birthday. So that's a little bit weird. 90-day challenge, March 9th, my dad's birthday. I don't know, feeling some good vibes, lucky vibes here. Maybe, we'll see. So, real estate wholesaling, real estate investing, real estate for beginners. Do you got it? Do you got questions? What can you wait, if you have not liked and subscribed and hit that bell notification, what you doing? Come on now. You want that path to financial freedom, don't you? Sometimes I crack myself up. I might really not be funny. You guys let me know in the comments. How about that? Oh man. Okay, so let me go through one more thing for you guys. I know this is kind of getting long for my first video. I'm sorry. Okay, so basically I just want to read y'all something that I wrote. Okay, so I just wanted to read y'all something that I wrote, and it's just a little intro on how to wholesale real estate 101, how to get into it, some things to think about. This is written by me, Patrick Conley. Remember the name. Gonna be big one day. Captain Pat Flips LLC, Conley Affiliates. Those are the two entities for our businesses. Our YouTube channel, Investing with Pat and Cats. You're watching on it right now. Like and subscribe. I'm not trying to push that down your throat, but look at my subscribers. Not a lot. Okay, here we go. If you are just getting started in real estate, wholesale deals might be the way to go. A wholesale deal is when you purchase a property at a discount and then resell it to another investor. This can be a great way into the market without spending a lot of money. There are a few things you need to know before getting started in wholesale real estate. First, you need to know some knowledge about the market. Market research, guys. Whatever market you're in, do research always. You need to have some experience in negotiations and be comfortable working with buyers and sellers. Only way to do that is to call people and talk to them. TTP, talk to people. That's what Brent Daniels says. He is like a multi-millionaire. TTP, talk to people. Okay. So, anyways, guys, that is the first video, Wholesaling 101. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I was a little bit nervous, first video by myself, but I hope I did good. Like and subscribe.